You ever see a stock start to take off, you jump in, and poof, the whole thing just fizzles out? Yeah, it's a classic, and it's beyond frustrating. But what if there was a way to tell, right from the start, if a price move had any real muscle behind it? Well, today, we're going to dive into exactly that. We're talking about trading volume, the one tool that lets you hear what the market is actually saying. I absolutely love this quote because it just nails it. Think about it like this. Price, that tells you where the market's heading. It's the direction. But volume? Oh, volume tells you the strength behind that move. It tells you about the passion, the conviction. It's really the difference between a tiny whisper and a ground-shaking roar. And that right there, that's the heart of the problem, isn't it? You can have a price chart that looks absolutely beautiful, but if that move is happening in total silence, with hardly any trading activity, it's very often a trap. Those are the kinds of trends that just fall apart almost as fast as they started. So let's lock this idea in right now. Volume is the thing that gives a price move its credibility. It's the proof in the pudding, showing you that there's real money, real participation, and real belief driving a trend. Without that, honestly, you're probably just looking at market noise. This right here breaks it down perfectly. Over on the left, you've got your credible trend. Price is moving up, and look, the volume is rising right along with it. That's that market roar we were talking about. It's a confident, powerful signal. But then on the right, you have a weak trend. The price is moving, sure, but the volume is just flat. Or worse, it's falling. That's the market whisper. It's a huge sign of indecision and weakness. Okay, so how do we actually, measure this? For literally decades, traders have been using a classic toolkit to interpret the market's voice. So let's break down 3 of the most powerful indicators out there. First up, we've got on-balance volume, or OBV for short. The logic here is actually super simple and elegant. If a stock closes higher for the day, you take all of that day's volume and add it to a running total. If it closes lower, you subtract the volume. What you get is a single line that shows you the cumulative flow of volume over time. Now here's the magic trick. OBV can often tell you what's going to happen before the price actually moves. So if you see that OBV line steadily climbing while the stock price is just kind of chopping sideways, that's a massive clue. It's telling you that big institutions are quietly buying up shares, building their position before the rest of the market catches on. Okay, building on that idea, our next tool is the accumulation/distribution line, or the AD line. This one takes it a step further. See, instead of just caring if the day was up or down, it looks at where the price closed within that day's high-low range. So a close near the high, that suggests strong buying pressure. A close near the low, that screams selling pressure. And this leads us to a really, really important question. What on earth does it mean when the price is hitting brand new highs, but your AD line isn't following along? This is where volume analysis really starts to show its power. What you're seeing is something called divergence. And here's the rule. When price and your volume indicator are telling you 2 completely different stories, you better listen to the volume. A divergence like this is often one of the earliest, loudest warning signs that a trend is losing steam, and a big reversal could be just around the corner. All right, now for something that looks totally different, but is incredibly powerful, the volume profile. So instead of plotting volume bars along the bottom of your chart over time, this tool plots volume horizontally, on the side. It shows you exactly which price levels had the most trading action. The spots you really want to pay attention to here are what we call high volume nodes. These are the price levels where a ton of business was done. And why does that matter? Well, because they represent an area of agreement, a place where the market decided this was a fair price. These zones then tend to act like magnets, becoming really powerful areas of support and resistance later on. So, let's recap. We've got OBV, the AD line, and volume profile. They all tell you a piece of the story. But the real challenge for any trader is not just understanding each one, but trying to weave all that information together into a clear picture while the market is moving a mile a minute. And that right there is where technology has completely changed the game. Modern algorithmic platforms can take all these classic, powerful ideas and basically put them on autopilot, turning this giant sea of data into crystal clear insights in real time. So here's how modern platforms make this work. First, they validate your signals. They instantly check to see if a price move has strong volume behind it. That means all those market whispers, those weak, fake moves, get filtered out automatically. And second, they use that volume profile data to instantly find and show you those key high-volume zones, giving you a ready-made map of important support and resistance levels. This is really the big shift in thinking. With these kinds of tools, volume isn't just some boring bar at the bottom of a chart anymore. It becomes this dynamic, living indicator that shows you where the real money is flowing and what the market's true intentions are, moment by moment.
Okay, let's tie this all together into a strategy. How can you actually use all this to follow the smart money and hopefully improve your trading? It really just comes down to a simple, repeatable process.
Here's the workflow. Step 1, you spot the move, a potential breakout or a new trend. Step 2, you check the volume. You ask yourself, is this a roar or is it a whisper? Step 3, you use the volume profile to instantly see the key price zones to watch. And finally, step 4, you act with confidence, knowing your trade is being validated by real participation from the market. When you get right down to it, understanding volume is really just about learning how to listen. It helps you tune out the noise, sidestep the traps, and put your trades in line with the real flow of capital. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to start listening?